Hello everyone, welcome to Best Tech Pick channel. If you're passionate about drones and looking for the best flying machines of 2025, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 drones that dominate the market in camera quality, flight performance, obstacle avoidance, and smart features. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventurous traveler, or an FPV enthusiast, we've got the perfect drone for you. By the end of this video, we'll crown the best drone of 2025, so stick around to find out which one takes the top spot. DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate professional drone, built for creators who demand the best in aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a Hasselblad 4x3 CMOS sensor, this drone delivers stunning 20-megapixel raw images and 5.1K video resolution, ensuring unmatched clarity and detail. Its 43-minute flight time gives you ample opportunity to capture breathtaking shots, while DJI's O3 Plus transmission system provides up to 15 kilometers of stable video feed. The advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system keeps your drone safe from unexpected obstacles, making it one of the safest and smartest drones on the market. The 70mm medium telecamera, now supporting 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color modes, expands post-production possibilities for professionals. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro features an adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, allowing users to fine-tune exposure settings for different lighting conditions. The drone also includes a smart return-to-home feature, which calculates the most efficient route back to the takeoff point, reducing battery consumption and maximizing flight efficiency. If you're serious about aerial filmmaking and need top-tier image quality, the Mavic 3 Pro is your best bet. DJI Air 3 is the perfect balance between professional-grade features and portability, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and content creators. It features a dual primary camera system, with both a 1.3-inch wide-angle camera and a 1.3-inch 3x medium telephoto camera, offering 48-megapixel stills and 4K HDR video. With a 46-minute flight time, you can capture extended footage without worrying about frequent battery swaps. The O4 transmission system ensures long-range connectivity, while multi-directional obstacle sensing provides additional safety during flights. Additionally, its upgraded night mode allows for better low-light performance, making it an excellent choice for twilight or nighttime shots. The smart flight modes, including focus track and master shots, make it easier to create cinematic footage with minimal effort. It also supports waypoint flight, which enables pre-planned flight paths perfect for capturing complex sequences with precision. With its advanced battery charging hub, the Air 3 optimizes power distribution, allowing for faster charging and more efficient flight planning. If you're looking for a compact drone that delivers high-end performance, the Air 3 is a phenomenal choice. DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer in the lightweight drone category, offering professional features in an ultra-portable design. With a 4K 100 frames per second camera and 48-megapixel stills, this drone delivers excellent image quality despite its compact size. The true vertical shooting mode makes it perfect for content creators who post on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. The digital zoom up to 2x adds versatility when capturing distant subjects, while the 34-minute flight time ensures plenty of time for creative aerial shots. Additionally, the RC2 remote controller provides improved control and video transmission, making flights smoother than ever. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini 4 Pro offers enhanced safety, allowing pilots to fly with confidence even in complex environments. The improved night mode optimizes low-light performance, ensuring crisp and detailed footage during evening flights. Plus, its LightCut app integration provides effortless AI-powered video editing, making it easier than ever to create stunning content on the go. The drone also features an upgraded OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, offering stable video feeds up to 20 kilometers away for an uninterrupted flying experience. With its compact foldable design and under 250 grams weight, it complies with most drone regulations, making it a hassle-free option for both hobbyists and professionals. If you want a highly portable drone that doesn't compromise on camera performance, the Mini 4 Pro is a top contender. Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus is an excellent alternative to DJI drones, offering a compact yet feature-packed design for drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 grams, this drone bypasses strict drone regulations, making it an ideal travel companion. It features a 1/1.28-inch 0.8-inch CMOS sensor, allowing for 50-megapixel stills and 4K 30 frames per second video, ensuring crisp, vibrant footage. With RYYB color filter array technology, it enhances low-light photography by increasing light intake by 40% compared to traditional sensors. The three-way obstacle avoidance system keeps your drone safe, while its HDR mode extracts rich detail from both shadows and highlights. With up to 28 minutes of flight time, you can capture extended footage without frequent recharges, making it perfect for long outdoor adventures. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures ultra-smooth video recording, even in windy conditions or fast maneuvers. Additionally, its 16 times digital zoom adds extra versatility, allowing pilots to capture fine details from a distance. The EVO Nano Plus also features advanced tracking modes, enabling intelligent subject tracking for dynamic shots with minimal effort. Its ultra-lightweight foldable design makes it easy to pack and carry, ensuring convenience for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. With an intuitive remote controller and app integration, pilots can easily fine-tune camera settings, access pre-programmed flight modes, and edit footage seamlessly. If you need a small, lightweight drone with advanced imaging capabilities, the EVO Nano Plus is a fantastic pick. DJI Avata 2 is a high-speed FPV drone designed for adrenaline-pumping aerial maneuvers and immersive flight experiences. With a maximum speed of 27 meters per second and 4K 60 frames per second video recording, this drone is perfect for dynamic, action-packed shots. Its 9 meters per second ascent and descent speed allows for rapid altitude changes, making it incredibly responsive for skilled pilots. The new Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady stabilization systems ensure silky smooth footage, even during aggressive maneuvers. It also includes 46 gigabytes of internal storage, so you don't have to worry about running out of space mid-flight. The wide 155-degree field of view captures immersive, cinematic perspectives, making every shot feel larger than life. With enhanced low-latency transmission via OcuSync 3.0 Plus, pilots experience ultra-responsive control, ensuring a seamless FPV experience. Additionally, the improved safety features, including propeller guards and emergency brake functions, make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned FPV pilots. The Avata 2 supports DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3, enhancing the FPV experience with intuitive controls and crystal-clear visuals. The compact and durable design makes it highly portable and resistant to minor crashes, ideal for fast-paced flying. With intelligent flight modes like return to home and customizable flight paths, pilots can execute complex maneuvers with ease. If you're an FPV pilot looking for high-speed performance and cinematic footage, the Avata 2 is an outstanding choice. Who will be the winner of 2025? The competition has been fierce, but only one drone can take the crown. This model stands out with its superior camera system, longest flight time, and cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, making it the ultimate aerial machine. After testing and comparing them all, the winner of 2025 is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. With its Hasselblad camera, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and extended flight capabilities, this drone is the gold standard for professionals. Now it's your turn. Which drone would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button to support the channel. And if you want to stay updated with the best tech reviews and comparisons, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.